The other one is really long. The other one will last longer because it's like 20,000 feet long. Yeah. Jose, what are you doing?
I'm pointing too.
Oh. Why do you have the blowtorch? Ah! It's not even moving. Oh, that's not the one with report.
This one does.
Oh, nice.
So wait, let's put our both in together.
Oh.
Oh.
You're gonna put it in a.
No, they're going already.
You're gonna put it in a.
My golf already.
Oh, okay. Don't. Okay.
Mine's pretty late.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, David, you just...
Oh. Nice.
This is wet though. You think it'll make a difference?
Nah, it'll be fine. I mean, it is fireworks, so.
You want to hold the bottle for a minute?
No.
I mean, just hold it until I drop it in.
Oh, okay, okay. We're gonna put it in a bottle.
Please, that cracker.
You better not like miss it. It's gonna hit my hand. Oh shoot. Let's. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Prepare for war, you know.
That's funny. That's all like nasty.
Okay, I'm gonna blow this.
It's a dead bottle.
Get together. And you just...
These are evidence of all the people vandalizing the church.
You're vandalizing it too.
Vandalizing the church. No, I wasn't. Vandalizing the church with fireworks.
I'm not doing nothing.
Vandalizing the church with fireworks. Right, Laurel? Laurel? Yes. Say yes.
No, we are beautifying it with our brilliant bright lights. That's
Okay. Vandalizing.
We're good law-abiding citizens.
What? Vandalizing the church property. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Vandalizing church property.
Pyro.
Oh my goodness.
Everybody, walk away. Get the ringleader. Oh my.
What is this?
Okay, light.
Oh. I think we're trying to burn up the bucket now. What's in there? Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's everywhere. Oh. 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 Caillou, why did you throw it at me? I'm right here. Oh. Okay. The bucket is partially melted.
It is? Yeah, you should just throw it.
Ouch. That had to hurt the bucket. I feel sorry for it. Let's do it again.